Hi everyone, I will show you how to post a GIF to Instagram. First of all, you need to install the Giphy app from the Play Store. Open the Giphy app and search the GIF and open the GIF. Tap to the plane icon and tap the Instagram icon and tap here. Now tap the next and tap the share button. Now you can see the GIF is posted. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.